So now let us explore what kind of transactions we have. Accounts, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry. So if you want to post invoice, it is FB70. The enjoy transaction or the complex transaction is FS22. Yeah, so here we have to maintain the number range also, if the number range is not maintained. So let us see the document type DR. What is the T code for document type?
I know the
It
path.
is a OBS7. Yeah.
Okay.
OBS7 for the document type. DR for customer. And if you see the number range is 18 is maintained here. Now let us check the number range for in company code FB N1. Company code T01. 18 number 2 we have 18. Yeah, 18 is there. Number range 18 is there. Okay, fine. So now let us try to post the document. So yeah, posting key 01 means customer debit.
Okay.
So from here you can see 01. Customer C means customer, D means debit. Description is invoice. So now if you notice up to 19. 01 till 19 all are credit posting keys. No, sorry, debit posting keys. Up to 9 basically. Up to 9 it is debit posting keys, and then 11 to 19. 11 to 19 is credit posting keys for customer. Similarly for vendors, starting from 21 to 29 is debit, and 31 to 39 is credit posting keys. So these posting keys are used for different business transactions, wherein we can have the different field status for each posting keys. But generally, all the field status would be optional only. But if it is required, you can manipulate or you can change it. Okay, so now let us give 01, and this is the customer number. Customer is going to be debit. Press enter. Amount 5,100. Now actually we have done enough transactions in accounts payable, and now we are going to start do the transaction for accounts receivable. I would suggest you to configure the tax procedure properly, create the tax codes. Not much, at least 2, 3, 4 outgoing and output, 2, 3 input tax codes. So whenever you are posting the transaction, include the tax code also. Right? So on the way we will also be learning about the taxation, how it is working.
There are already created tax also.
Okay, did you create? Okay.
Yes.
So
You can use A1 tax code.
yeah, if it is created then it is good, but we need to include that. Okay. We need to include the tax codes in the transactions. Now what would be the opposite offsetting entry?
The credit revenue, our income.
Right. Customer debit and
revenue credit.
Same amount. Okay, profit center is mandatory here. How this is mandatory?
Because in domestic sales, whatever field status group is there, for that profit center is mandatory.
Okay. So what is the profit center? I
triple one. Yes.
Okay. Then now going to simulate, right? And if you want to simulate for the general ledger view, yeah, now we got that error.
Yeah.
Document number for document type DR in T3 is missing. So let us maintain the document number and number range. Document type interview, document type interview in ledger.
Not here.
Not here?
Not.
Oh, this is the special ledger specific transaction. Here let us give TR. The number is T1. Yeah, T1, okay. So I'll just give the T1 and save it. Now let us try to simulate. Okay, again. Yeah, so we can see the profit center is getting derived here.
Yes.
Okay, so this is working fine. And post. Yes, so we have posted first customer invoice. Okay, now what? We have posted the code is what? FB70 or FB70. Next is display customer line item. If you want to see the balance, FD01 and what is for GL?
FBL.
That is for the new GL, but classical GL there's FS10N. Yeah, FS10N. FS. So this would be FS10N. FD10N. Right? FS10N. See? FS10N. There we give the GL account and we see the period wise.
Breakup.
Similarly, if you give FD10N, then you will get customer balance period wise. Okay. Yeah, that FB Fagel B3 or Fagel L03 is only for the GL balance because the ledger specific posting we have in GL only, right? Not in the subledgers. Customer vendor is subledger, so for customer vendor we have the just all transactions only.
Okay.
Here we can't select the ledger, right?
Yes.
So why we can't select ledger for customer vendor? Because new GL functionality or the ledger functionality is only for the general ledger accounts to prepare the final accounts. And the final account we prepare based on the GL balance, not based on the subledger balance. Correct?
Yes.
The valuation is done based on the GLs. Okay. Now check selection FBL 5N. Okay, what was the customer? Okay, this is the customer line item we have written. So now we have 5,000. Okay, further you can customize this layout. So what do you want to have here, like payment term you can include? Due. Okay. Document status. Whether it is due, overdue, all those indicators also you can include.
Okay.
Now let us try to receive the payment. We don't say customer receipt, we say incoming payment.
Payment, okay.
Address 32. Okay, so we have credit memo, same thing. You can try for the credit memo. It would be just opposite to your invoice. Then address 28 is for incoming payment.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so 5,000 slash n FPL 5n. On 5,000 we are going to receive the discount, right? I mean, we are going to give the discount 3%.
Yes. It's
So
500.
how much? 150.
153. 5100 na?
So say 5,000.
It's 153.
150 only.
The invoice amount is 5100 or 5000?
Oh yeah. Sorry, you're correct. 5,100, right? 5,100. So 153 and 153. 4947. So we give the amount here 4947. Okay, which bank account we will use? Which bank account?
The common one or we created in AP?
No, how many bank accounts we have? How many GLs we have for bank accounting?
I 10, 15 GLs.
Minimum, how many are there?
5 GLs for bank. If there are 2 payment.
If we have one only, say one payment method, then
3.
what are those?
The main bank GL and the incoming and one is going.
So here, which one should I choose?
It's incoming GL. We should choose.
Yes. So I'm going to say okay, this is not keyword basically. That's why it is not searching. Wait, so we have to search the GL account description, right? That was not the keyword. Now we have these many bank accounts. So let us say HDFC incoming account number 52. Now click on open item. So do you feel the screen the same as like vendor only, right?
Yes.
There also use the same thing. Here also same. Open item. Okay, required in the document header. Now what also required in the reference field? So in the reference field I can say I can give this document number. Document number is this one. Anything we can give, but just I'm giving this.
Okay.
Now what is the problem?
Value date. Can I ask here one question? I know how we can mandatorily fill the reference and document header text. For that, we can go that document type. But for value date, how we can make mandatory or not mandatory?
Okay, which GL account we are using here?
The bank GL 70013 incoming GL.
Then you know the answer, right?
Okay, got it.
What is the answer?
In that GL, so what is the fields? No.
Correct.
No.
Yeah, correct only.
Okay.
So let us say this one, right? In this we have G005. Go to G005 payment transactions value date, right?
Yeah.
You know the answer. Correct. Yeah. Okay. Now click on process open item. Okay, 153 discount we are getting. Select this line. Double click and simulate the transaction. Now we have the problem. What is the problem?
Account determination not defined for this chart. For that main recon GL, customer main recon GL and customer ledger.
Why special ledger?
No special.
What is it? No, your voice got cut actually. Can you repeat it?
Actually,
So I'm
I'm saying we have to link that ledger and main recon GL.
that is for down payment.
Okay.
First of all, tell me what would be the accounting entry if this is successfully posted. What is the accounting entry supposed to be created?
Okay, the customer account will be debit and our domestic sale GL will be credit.
Then what else?
No, wait. Payment. So our bank account will be debit and that customer account will be credit.
Okay, then
Then
how much we are paying?
we are get cash discount. Okay, means
We are giving cash discount, right? So then what is this?
Discount GL.
The configuration for cash discount GL is missing. That we done for vendor, but we have not done for customer. So first of all, let us create one GL account. Cash discount given.
Then
Should it be open item management?
the cash discount. No. No.
Why?
There is no need to get cleared.
But first of all, you can say this is a P&L, right? This is a P&L GL account. Your answer should be, first of all, this is a P&L GL account. Clearing is the second option. First, you recognize whether this is balance sheet or P&L. If it is P&L, straight away you can say open item is not required. If it is a balance sheet, then you have to think whether the clearing is required or not. Okay. So I have created this one, but I'm thinking whether there should be a cost element or not. Okay, the group we have G001. In G001, profit center is optional. Okay. Now let us check the one we have created for cash discount receipt, which is in other income. Okay. Check this one if it has cost element. No, this also don't have. Okay. Now, since we have allowed the profit center as optional, so it should receive the profit center, and that is what we wanted, right? Profit center we wanted in each and every accounting entry so that we can have the balance sheet at profit center level. So we are not going to create as cost element. We'll keep it like this only. Okay, so what it was, let me refresh. And under admin cost, this is the one. Copy this GL account. Now go to this screen, click on this, and from here we can proceed from here. T01 accounts, save the rule. I given this account here and save it. Come back. Now let us simulate. Again simulate. Okay, now what we are getting?
Exchange rate difference account for account 0010.
700109 is what? Domestic.
Yes.
Domestic. No. Yeah, domestic customers. 00109. Okay, so I have to create that. OBA1, right? There in KDF we have maintained for
Vendor.
Yeah. This is for vendor. But for customer, where do we maintain? So what we have to do, it's not for customer or vendor. This is the same only. What we have to do, go here, create the new entry. Okay.
Okay.
Just take a screenshot of this accounts. Though this is the same screen for customer and vendor. Basically, if you have 10 reconciliation GL accounts for accounts payable and accounts receivable, you have to create 10 entries here. Click on new. And what is our GL account? This is the GL account. Copy, paste it here. Currency we are not going to give. Now just copy these GL accounts. 300106. Here also same. And here also same. Here also same. This is 100. This. Right. And I'm going to save this. Now if you go back, now you can see there are two entries here. Similarly, if you have now at least we have 4 to 5 or 6 reconciliation GL accounts. For all of those, we need to maintain this config here. Done. So came out and OBA one screen. Okay, now let us simulate. Again simulate. Okay, now it is working fine, right? So
Walmart marketing credit, bank debit, discount debit.
bank debit, cash discount given 153 debit, and finally credit for this customer is same as your invoice amount, and exchange rate there will not be any exchange rate. Let's check. There is no exchange rate, right? Yes. Okay, so now we are going to simulate again in the
General ledger.
Now what we are getting the problem here, DZ.
Okay.
Z is also not maintained there. Go to SPRO. DZ. Okay, DR we have maintained, but not the DZ. Okay, so I'll just copy this. DZ, save it. Done. Okay, now let us simulate. Again simulate. And here we can see. Right, so now since we have the profit center in, so this is getting added in all the line items. Further one test you can do, like in your invoice there are two profit centers, so that you will get the two profit center in the payment also. So basically once you know the AP, you can learn the AR very easy. So now we have posted this document. Then now what is left, like credit memo you can try, and you can try posting in the foreign currencies, then see the foreign currency exchange gain loss. Yeah, and posting with different profit centers. Invoice has 2 to 3 line items, 3 type of profit center or 2 profit centers, and then see how document splitting is working.